which presented a competitor who we feel has amazing potential and superb symmetry. 21-year-old Vinnie Galanti competed at 5'7", 170 pounds in his first open competition ever. Vince last stepped on stage in 1986, claiming second in the Teen USA. But he has since put on 20 pounds of muscle and will soon be dominating the middleweights. He credits his father for his amazing genetics, but Vince also trains like a wild animal, and he carries his aggressive nature into competition with him. Winning the middleweight class was